everyone! Welcome back to TutorTalks, your space to learn real English through real conversations. I'm Lara, and today we're diving into a super important topic.
How to talk to anyone with confidence.
Exactly, because confidence isn't magic, it's a skill. And we'll show you how to build it step by step.
So, if you ever feel shy, nervous, or afraid of making mistakes when you talk to people,
Don't worry, you're not alone. We've all been there. But by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to do to sound natural and relaxed. Let's start with something simple, the power of a smile.
yeah, you don't need perfect English, just a friendly face.
Exactly. A smile says, hey, it's okay to talk to me. It's like your free ticket to confidence.
And guess what? You can use it anywhere, at a cafe, on a bus, even with your neighbor.
Now, after your smile, say something small like, hi, or hello. Simple, short, friendly.
Try it right now. Say hello out loud and smile while you do it.
Good! That's your first win. Once you've said hello, what next? Easy. Ask a simple question.
Something like, how are you? Or, how's your day going?
And one of my favorites, nice day today, isn't it?
Yes, the weather. It's the world's favorite small talk.
You don't need big vocabulary, just simple, kind curiosity.
And if someone asks you a question, answer, then ask one back. That keeps the conversation alive. So, for example, hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
That's how natural conversation works. Back and forth, like a game of ping pong.
Now here's a secret. Your body speaks before your words do.
That's true. If you stand tall, shoulders back, and look relaxed, people feel your confidence.
And don't forget your eyes. Just a few seconds of eye contact says, I'm listening, I'm here.
But don't stare too long. We're not in a staring contest.
Right, just a natural, friendly look.
Oh, and hands. Don't hide them in your pockets. Use them to gesture naturally. It makes you look open and honest.
Yes, remember, open body, open mind, open talk.
Now, let's talk about listening, because confidence isn't about speaking more.
Exactly. It's about making the other person feel heard.
When you listen carefully, you understand better, and people enjoy talking to you.
So instead of worrying about what to say next, just listen. Nod, smile, say, yeah, or I see.
That shows interest, and guess what? It takes away your nervousness, too.
Now, a big question for English learners. What if you don't understand someone?
Good question. The answer is simple. Ask.
Say, sorry, could you repeat that, please? Or, can you speak a little slower?
Nobody will judge you. In fact, they'll appreciate that you care enough to understand.
Exactly. It's not weakness. It's smart communication.
Because confidence doesn't mean knowing everything. It means handling things calmly when you don't know.
Now, where can you practice all this? Start small, places with low pressure.
Like your local cafe. When you order, say, 1 coffee, please. And when you get it, thank you. Have a nice day.
That's already a real conversation. Short, simple, successful.
Or try it at the supermarket. Smile, say hello, and thank the cashier.
Each little moment builds your muscle of confidence.
Here's another magic tip. Give compliments.
Yes! Compliments make people feel good, and good feelings build confidence.
It can be simple. I like your jacket. That color looks great on you.
And if they say thank you, you can reply, you're welcome, with, guess what? A smile.
Always the smile.
Always. It's your best communication tool.
Okay, time for some real talk. Many learners are afraid of mistakes.
Yes, but here's the truth. Mistakes are your friends. When you make one, it means you're learning. It means you're brave enough to speak.
Exactly. Remember this, communication, not perfection.
Yes, the goal isn't perfect grammar. It's connection, making someone understand your idea.
So don't wait for perfect English. Start with real English, your English. Another great trick, practice what you'll say before real conversations.
You can stand in front of a mirror and practice your introduction.
Hi, my name is Jack. I'm from Canada. I love traveling and music.
Perfect. If you prepare a few lines like that, it becomes automatic in real life.
And when your words are ready, your confidence grows.
Yes, because confidence is preparation you can feel.
Now, let's talk about ending a conversation politely, because walking away shouldn't feel awkward.
You can say, "It was nice talking to you," or "Have a great day."
Those phrases close the talk naturally and kindly.
Then give a warm smile and leave. That's confidence from start to finish.
Let's review the key confidence phrases together. Repeat after us.
Hello, how are you?
Nice day today, isn't it?
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
You're welcome.
It was nice talking to you.
Good job. You sound more confident already.
Remember, confidence doesn't come from speaking perfectly. It comes from showing up, even when you feel nervous.
That's right. Every hello, every small talk, every smile, it all adds up.
So go out today, talk to someone new, and let your English and your confidence grow together.
And hey, if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who want to speak better English too.
And tell us in the comments, who would you like to talk to with more confidence?
We can't wait to read your answers.
See you in the next Tutor Talks episode.
Bye for now.